Yeah, people. This is your boy Tuxedo, and you are watching Rise to Fame. Keep it locked down.
A channel is on Media Hub, and Yajimre, every train come. Now, only me say Obagana had their talent, had their buso, and then one of the finest, a rising star, every train come old Madi. So, coming home, as usual, me did Madi on Chiam, and so Nana Asante Eche. I don't person you see and say call YouTube channel this here, name Media Hub. Now, subscribe to your channel, no, like videos, comment your videos, and share Emma who from so in your being share. Or today, they jack about phone cards or about this year. Eba, introduce your guest. Yo, I have for some more about a channel so name Media Hub. And on Rise to Fame, you're one of the finest rising star and everything come. Now I have nobody like Wise B. Wise B. I'm a kwaba. I'm running Media Hub.
Me just see that one.
Wise B. I forgot to say.
Me show me around. Me shut down, pa.
Oh, shut
down.
All right. With no time, no. Yeah, go straight into our convo. Yeah, for the sake of Omo Mokhe, I guess Wise B. When Wise B.
Okay. Wise B is an artist, a young boy. Yeah, I'm a rapper and also a singer too. Yeah.
Now, if I now free ever.
Okay, me akasa de me free B. Yeah, me free Drobo.
We be for your boys in the building. And then everything come and I become for me a fat a year ninjum home, baby was sati free baby or there drew and this one did who baby was so call. Wise be media minimum for the sake of Omo Mokhe. So far and no saying was some city amount like time ben I'll start here and John time ben on any so I don't say Jum crowd by.
Okay, so for me, I think I may start or JHS, yeah, JHS around 2016, yeah, honor. Already na me wo passion for music, yeah. So obetu me feel we say me tonyom me did this we did do feel yeah. So I think the JHS and me courage no say meet my then. Actual me ankasa me there, yeah. So from there, I will Drobo na kakra yeah.
I have for them more free lending bar and oba a book bar na open baby at Nadio Hoa and one lending bar oba ya de bia here biano ubenya bi wa na also what certify home. Like Wise B, I saw you enrolling a reality show, a Mentor X. And it's a different and it's a different saying if it's bad. Okay. We are being self because all don't say mental X.
Yeah, so for me, now from where I'm from now, now my Juma kakra and people believed in what I was doing.
What say Juma?
Yeah, so I started, gradually. Now my improve and people back home, no. Yeah, na me no. People back home no, I believe you me na feedback uko radio so uko performance feedback eba no. Timu say we do some certain level. Yeah, so for me na me pe limelight no, me pe adia ebitima push me ama ba. Yeah, be push me ama ba but me hwe ho we have opportunities for meeting me joining work reality shows. Sure. Yeah, so now my dream say anytime I mean a chance be there or send me then it me pass it through because it's a big platform. Sure, and I've seen so many guys almost on my core on my big. So that was the what motivates me. So now I had one brother Nana MK. Yeah, shout out to Nana MK. Yeah. So Onona supporting me. Yeah, Emma me bar audition. Yeah, so from there na nyame adom mutimi fire. Yeah, dit here.
Before a year mentor X and not currently, Obaka say you are one of the biggest, and now you're the biggest artist in the year Drobo.
I won't say I'm the biggest. No, because
looking at the standard that right now, what do they the kind of music how
yeah, and then I will leave it for them, yeah, to the fans. I won't say it, but but what I can say is I've done my best, and where if I look back 2 years back, and this first next city, because first night me program cram I want to me in charge, but and they will be to me then I charge, and people back home to look up to me, assign motivating me, say me there, me go high. I'm who says support no honor. I marvelous. Yeah, so I won't say I'm the biggest artist in Drobo. No, I'm doing my best in my own way. Yeah, so yeah, I would say that.
It's Wise B and the return combo on Rise to Fame. Jumadi we near Jim Ray etnasi at return combo. We talk to your favorite uprising star. Na Jim Ray actually quite of fast or coming up. Quite of fast or starting BBA. Wise B, Obaka say before a mentor X, were you looked down upon? We are free, but no man for looking down upon you, no man for seeing to me. Experience.
Oh yes, and then I think say every up and coming act be a go through that phase. Yeah, and there were many instances it happened baby, but you know say unim the opposite or get there. Unimbabia opesa okwa, you don't let those no my own call down na be that be say one kasa who direction who say hanam pesa me koso those things they baby happen, but I knew say I can do it. So and me ana minim me ho na minim na metimi aye, so if o baby na o criticize so na me ye there enko baby a baby me ankasa me feel kra wait back for recording aba baba betwen gu pieces so ade betene ya delete me ankasa me feel what man say, but no one boom abem because na me nim na metimi aye na me nim baby a metimi akobat enne no ntisa enne omo a na omo ka so wuntimi no because of me ndu baby asa, but kakra na makono omo hu say yeah I can go somewhere. Yeah.
Now can actually my advances so yeah, support back home saying anything here na feel for happiness to say yenjum and I feel for happiness to say yenjum ema yenjum
so who's the makers are no say it me record between so and I think say it's not only me. I think it's a idea of Africa, a mentality. No, we a young guy, we a school guy now. Who could school na person a music. I'm on for perception. They say, like, we be free school. Won't come baby like abrabo be anyway. Football or juma, any juma pa. But say ultimate year who prove bibia. A honor who say oh, sir, doubt no more mind no, plenty sir. Yes, so any day me for my home, there is no support. Now there is no support. My mom, be my sisters, will be no other castle. Yes, supportive for we. Now person me cause to prove which one say, I can do it. Yes, so now support be there. For me, my mom cried me across so for say, into me for that music. What was say because he say. Omo perception is say odo hura music man collabon sem near the but entisa
and otherwise be at a train come or say
also Joe Hoodie, ewa DB oyim. Na Ojo Hoodie a obintimi emu abam ewa adea oyim. Wise B, currently, and you do say na about what?
Okay, so for me, my dick can drop it, baby, but so after the competition, I saw say my improve because the competition helped me say in my writings, how to play with live band. Yeah, there were some coaches be a me. So after the competition, I decided to say I have to change how I write. Yeah, how I compose my song because I've been going through some grooming. Yeah, so after the competition there, I've dropped one song. Yeah, that's only me. I dropped it last January. Yeah, but apart from that, I have other songs outside, but I don't count them. Yeah, now.
So there's a professionally,
Yeah,
currently,
professional,
one. Okay, all right. For you, concerning the Mentor X, how was it like? Although a shame no competition is here from the grassroots, how were you picked? How can best the first way discover?
Yeah, that one I won't say it was easy. It wasn't easy. And hard work and the grace of God. Yeah, because we share the kind of number of people are mobile for audition now who crowd your burden a show because from Kumasi you became Kumasi, then I came to Accra. It's like the whole Ghana. What must say will be a baby. So who drew premises or now who energy will be digital for you now or cry and grab a bit marshal. Yeah, so now your doors one casta. So I came to Accra, then you go through many phases. Yeah, and almost one is so I'm I think 30. Then you call boot camp. And last 16 for the show. Yeah, so that was the name easy crowd.
So after the scrutinizing now, someone you be filming final 16 you were being mentioned.
Yeah, final 16 now.
So how was the feeling like for you? So that time now, final lesson by what is your body Wise B pundit? How was the feeling like?
No, I would say I can't describe that feeling because the wow shot. Baby, I nipa free ba. Na eni college bia o, eni mo bia na nipa baby we nyina ya koma na omabo me din. I can't describe that feeling because me nyamiti kra ka me biti bo. Because na many aji because that was the first time I made bad TV, so the first time I meet Sheshia painful bit say omo ayo you so nyina you look up to omo kwabna kwab. Yeah, so na your music directors, your stage directors, your band, your stylists. Yes. So now for me, where baby and I'm wanna mean anything about styling, anything about how to perform with
all the answer artists they were your own what they are banner boys.
So how to brand yourself, how to write, how to change some styles in writing, yeah, and how to perform on stage, how to use the cameras on stage, how to use the lights, how to perform with the live band because the show was throughout the show, it was live band throughout. So you see, there are many artists in the industry they can't play live band. So the I say at least I've gone through because of the reality show. No, I can play with live band. Yeah, as a rapper, but I can play with live band anytime, any day. And Abuame, you see, and our number baby beat me home. Say, oh, Wise B. But if not the reality show, I can't remember. So I changed my whole life.
What also saying? Reality show, course, you know, what also saying?
So I was on the 3rd position.
You Nigerian University, you top the 3rd position. All right. When you talk about support, I'm mindful with now all these notions about the free banner, money. Oji tum say abono for money.
I would say it's a proof for money because almost support me and do throughout the competition. The votes, most of the votes were coming from the So, but was that money there? I think it's a new for musically. I think it's now musically be or money and share that my music business no so sir. Yeah, because the support no each other new sir for music. Music because it's a person who music the perception is different. But if say other say school there, oh, you better show come. But for music say for obi say obi invest or muno, yeah, office be or 20 go ba. They don't know say it's a business. It's a business on its own. Yeah, so I always say support new cry. There are some few people who say believe on music business. Yeah, but most of the people in there, mindset in that. Yeah, so I always say support new cry, but kakra the support. Yeah.
Currently, if you are being given the nod to collaborate with 3 musicians in the 3 Bono regions, him for the future.
Guru, I think that Naja also is doing Naja, and Mr. Governor. Yeah, he's also doing well. Yeah.
All right, for the currently Wise B in the top 3 musicians and artists are currently, if he's being given the nod to future and to collaborate with them on a song, Odomudia Tuja, Naja, Guru, and Mr. Governor. So on a normal day, these are any artists on your opportunity on Juma. And currently, how do you see the media space? Do you feel like the media really supports talent? And I almost support almost song to force so actually.
I think that right now for now they may call a card, but social media, I think that right now they've been supporting. Yeah, they've been supporting. But say there, I know they there, so I can't really tell. Yeah, but I think say there are some few people yeah, right now I think say they've been supporting more. I think that kakra we do. Yeah, sure.
Currently, then Ghana for expecting free after say Mentor X by way I'm on for feel. Then I'm on for expecting free.
Yeah, so they should expect nothing by the best. Yeah, I'm working on projects. Yeah, and I don't want to come out as the Wise B they knew 2 years back. No. Yeah, so they should just watch the space then expect bigger things. Yeah.
Any secrets?
Oh yeah. For that one there, I think that by Christmas there, if not 2 singles cry, yeah. Before by to my back, I can't really tell say next month or but they should just watch the space. Yeah.
Right. You have a nice and very welcoming, let me say, look. What inspires you?
Growing up, I never knew me so innocent. Yeah, and me choosing music, I needed that artistry image, Say if I step in a place now they don't know me, they should feel say like they should feel my presence. Yeah, they should see say, oh, I do a footballer now, but yeah, and now me rasta dread, so they growing up now me paper, so and one my is yeah.
All right. Currently, so we saw Otio and Jom, we saw videos, social media handles, no, but there to Ghana for we are seeing for you.
Yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram at Wise B Ponde, and Facebook Wise B Mentor X, and Twitter Wise B Music, and the latest track, Only Me. The video is on YouTube, so wait back and share. Yeah, the title is Only Me, and the YouTube channel is Wise B Music. Yeah.
And you man call YouTube to see na ya subscribe to Wise B Music. Na nyakonya na hwe ni videos ni bi. O ta say all the digital stores no so Wise B Music na what me atie na ndwom bibi. It come for you. After so when a third place for mental X, I believe say Scaba.
Scam my.
So packaging na say na packaging city.
No, cool.
Yeah. No think I do too quiet ya for anko na say sign or your sign no. O say ma feel na. What was the door like after the mentor and Kasano? How is the experience like for you?
Oh, the door there. I don't want to go deep, yeah, but it was cash price, airplay, yeah. So anytime I would drop a song, I would just give it to them. They would play it, yeah. If 20 years come cry there, yeah, I'm their family. So anytime I will go there, they will play it for me for free.
Welcome
you. Yeah, they will grant me interviews and things.
Yeah, Ghana for your last words to your fans out there, your last word to Ghanaians, your last word to your fans all over the world.
So I would thank everybody for supporting the Wise B brand. I would thank everybody for supporting me, yeah, to date, yeah, and they should just expect bigger things, yeah. And if you see my song or my link anywhere, just tap on it. Go and listen to it. What must I say? Wise B to the whole yes. Wise B pond.
So and then Wise B pond there. Wise B to the whole we are say and a train come out a rise to fame. Follow our social media, Facebook, Name Media Hub. Now what me I like it, a page, Now, oko YouTube na Name Media Hub. Now, I subscribe to your YouTube channel. No, wait me follow me and kasa all the social media platforms. Twitter no Nana Asante Eche. Oko Facebook Nana Asante Eche. Oko Instagram Nana Asante Eche. Now you connect and we will always be here to give you the best. And yet now London pub and we train come na where a London papa obu yen ewo Abgogba police station down yeah usane na London pub ha from Monday to Sunday anadubia oba ha jigum oba ha wianso ha so ejigum ade bia hia bia obenya bi se open papa nom opaduane papa dia for any chair London pub oto dan e dia ameje so Nana Asante Eche